Imagine a place where streets are made of water and cars give way to boats. Welcome to Giethoorn, often hailed as the Venice of the North. Nestled in the heart of the Netherlands, this enchanting village is a portal to a world where the hustle of motorized traffic is replaced by the soothing sounds of rippling water. In Giethoorn, the roads are absent and an elaborate maze of canals takes center stage. These waterways are lined with lush foliage and quaint thatched roof cottages, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. As you glide along these serene passages in a whisper boat, the only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the hull and the distant calls of waterfowl. The village's charm is magnified by its commitment to preserving a peaceful atmosphere. The absence of cars means that the air remains fresh and the sounds of nature prevail. Here, every narrow path and bridge seems to tell a story of a simpler, quieter time. Giethoorn offers a glimpse into a slower, more serene way of life, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern cities. The best way to experience Giethoorn is undoubtedly from the water. Here, the gentle ripples of the canals guide visitors through a verdant maze of calm and beauty. As you glide silently, the only sounds are the soft strokes of your paddle and the distant calls of water birds. In this enchanting village, the preferred modes of canal exploration vary. You might choose a whisper boat, an eco-friendly option that moves almost soundlessly thanks to its electric motor. These boats offer a serene journey, allowing you to soak in the tranquil atmosphere without a ripple of noise to disturb the peace. Alternatively, embracing the old-fashioned charm of Giethoorn can be done in a canoe. Paddling through the waterways, you have the freedom to explore at your own pace, meandering close to the lush, flower-lined banks and under quaint wooden bridges. For those who prefer a more structured exploration, guided boat tours are available. These tours provide insightful commentary about the rich history and unique architecture of the thatched roof cottages that seem to float along the water's edge. Whether you paddle gently or sit back on a guided tour, the canals of Giethoorn offer unmatched peacefulness and scenic beauty. As you glide through the canals, the charming thatched roof cottages narrate tales of a bygone era. Nestled along the water's edge, these dwellings showcase an architectural beauty steeped in history, many originating from the 18th century. Their quaint, curved roofs, crafted from local reeds, not only protect against the elements, but also blend seamlessly with the natural landscape. These homes are more than mere structures. They are the heart of Giethoorn's fairy tale ambiance, embodying a timeless charm. Each cottage in Giethoorn adds a stroke to the village's picturesque canvas. Giethoorn's allure isn't confined to its waters. Step beyond the gentle ripples of the canals and discover Museum Giethoorn de Oldemat Oos, a portal to the past. Here, the life and times of Giethoorn are preserved with care. The museum exhibits delve into traditional Dutch life, showcasing the intertwined relationship between the people and the peat-rich lands they cultivated. Wander through restored farmhouses and peek into the daily routines of a bygone era, where each artifact tells a story of resilience and adaptation. As you leave the echoes of history behind, the natural splendor of De Weeribbenweiden National Park awaits. This expansive wetland offers a sanctuary to a diverse array of wildlife and a playground for nature enthusiasts. Whether you prefer the quiet contemplation of birdwatching, the gentle rhythms of hiking, or cycling through breezy trails, the park's vast landscapes provide a perfect backdrop. From historic insights to natural explorations, Giethoorn offers diverse attractions beyond its tranquil waters. Giethoorn is more than just a destination. It's an experience waiting to be discovered. Nestled in the heart of the Netherlands, this tranquil village offers a retreat into a world where nature meets quaint charm. With its silent canals, whispering reeds, and pathways that lead to secret gardens, Giethoorn invites you to step into a slower pace of life. Whether by boat, bike, or on foot, each corner of this village tells a story of timeless beauty and serene living. Plan your journey to Giethoorn and let your heart find the peace and beauty hidden in this quaint village of the north.